Alright guys, welcome back here to your Craft Tech channel. I'm showing you the installation of the latest updates in Tailwind, which is Tailwind 4. Okay, I had issue with installing this particular upgrade due to not knowing where to attach the CSS format. So I'll be showing you, and we're going to start with the installation of Byte. Now, so I have this file already called Tailwind, and then I'm going to open the terminal using Control and backtick. Then, can you see I'm adding that part, which is the Tailwind. I'm going to type npm create byte at latest. Okay, I'll click enter. Okay, now it's asking us for the name of the project. So we're going to call this, let's call it Install Tailwind. Okay, and it's asking me for what type of this microcontroller framework. I'm going to use React, and then I'm using the JavaScript. Yeah, so we have that installed. So I'm going to see the change directory into installation. And after doing that, I'm going to type npm install or npm I to get my node module package. Check here, it's not here, right? But once I click on that node module package, automatically I have it added here. And also the time still loading, you're going to see it added here. So once it gets started, once it gets added, I'm going to begin with running the project. But for now, if I run the project, it's going to give us an error. So with that still running, I'm going to just head on to tailwindcss.com. Yeah, so we have this, right? Then I use tailwindcss.com. I'm going to click on these docs that we have here. So when I click on this doc, can you see we have using Byte, we have using Post CSS, Tailwind CLI, we have the framework guide, and we have that. So they actually removed this Byte from the framework guide and kept it on its own, right? So we're going to use this command that I installed here. So going to here, we are going to pick up this npm install Tailwind CSS, Tailwind CSS /byte. I'm going to copy that and paste that here. So now you're going to notice something when I do that. You're going to notice something. Immediately this gets installed, you're going to see that it's going to get added here. Yeah, can you see now we have this file which is byte.config.js, right? Added here already, right? So now this is where we're going to manipulate this. Okay, now the next step we have here is to get these two lines that are marked, which is this and this that we have here. So we're going to copy this first one and then paste it here, right here, inside this file, right? Then yeah, we're going to get this file that we have here. We're going to get this name and then paste it in here. So after pasting that, the next step to move on. So we're going to instead import this to CSS file. We're going to copy this, right, and then go into your file, which is this source file, and then add that command that we passed, that we copied into the top. Okay, yeah, now we have it, right? So now we're going to now run this command by saying npm. By copying this and pasting, so we are going to run this, and automatically we have this running. We have npm, we have the installation process running. So we're going to command and click on this to open that project. So once the guys, we have our project running, right, in Byte. Now next we need to do here is to now test it out. So to test out this project, let's see if it's working now. Go into the app.jsx file, which is where we have all this running, and then I can go to where I have I can delete everything that we have inside here and then create mine and say hello. Okay, like you see it's showing there as hello. I can change the color, let's say using class name, the Tailwind name. So let's say text red 600. Now it's changing, right? It means that our Tailwind file has been added. So this is a quick way to actually install the Tailwind 4.0. If you have any issues with this, please don't forget to type your issues in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe also. Have a great day everyone. Bye for now.